Hello, my name is Vanessa Clavijo Becerra. This is my identification document. I'm going to talk about my travel guide to Buenaventura. Buenaventura is located in the department of Valle del Cauca, on the shores of the bay in the Pacific Ocean. It is the third most populous city of del Valle del Cauca. What to do? Visit Malaga Bay. There are the best beaches like Juan de Dios, Ladrilleros, and La Bahía. It is a 1 hour by boat from Buenaventura. In Huanchaco, you can also visit Isla Palma, an ecological sanctuary where it is possible to do beer washing. Waterfall. Go to swim waterfall La Sierpe, Oceanal, and Tres Maria. Its water is emerald green. Travel tips. I have 4 recommendations to you. 1 tip. You have to go see the whale washing. It is a unique experience. For a boat trip, you must always carry a plastic to cover your back and prevent your teeth from getting wet. You don't have time to visit the different beaches of Buenaventura. You mustn't forget to bring mosquito repellent and sunscreen. Superstitions. If you want unwanted visitors to leave, put a broom behind the door. When you comment on something and you don't want to happen, you touch wood. When to go? The best time to visit Buenaventura is between July and to October. Where to stay? If you want a comfortable and quiet place, is the Hotel Bahía del Sol. The best area to sleep Buenaventura is Isla Carvajal, ideal for shopping, trying the typical food, overlooking the sea and close to the pier. What to eat? The typical food are toyo, liangua, squid, fish, the traditional trio, and caceroles. The typical food are arrachon, pipilongo, and other derivatives of fish. The transportation typical is in boat, and language is Spanish. Currency and tipping. The currency used in Buenaventura is the Colombian peso. Currently, the tip is voluntary. There are a few restaurants and places which require tipping. Thank you.